Ever feel like life is a juggling act? Balancing work and family can be tough, but here's a quick tip. Set boundaries. At work, dedicate time to focus. When you're home, be present. Put your phone down. Engage with your family. Practice mindfulness, even for a few minutes. Take deep breaths when stress hits. Remember, it's okay to say no sometimes. A balanced life leads to happier relationships. Want to dive deeper? Follow for more tips on emotional balance.